and welcome to another episode on Let's Talk Careers with Sara. Last week I've spoken about alternative careers for chefs, and today I'm talking about alternative careers for lawyers. You probably, for some reason, not happy with being a lawyer, or you kind of like feel like it's kind of like very hard to get into the industry. So I have good news for you. I've done the research and I found out that there are so many things you can do in the legal field. So let's dive in. Being a lawyer, you can be a consultant in HR, consultant in business management, in operations and strategy. Now, being a consultant, you will need a website. And a website that I would recommend is for you to either invest on somebody to do the website for you, such as UDNS Marketing Solutions. Their channel is in the description below. Or you can do the website yourself by using the platform called BOOKMARK. It's very easy. You can do it in one day. It's drag and change the text and drag and drop and change the text and change the colors and then add your pictures in it, and that's it. So to be a consultant, it's very important that you are legitimate, and the only way for people to find out is just searching your name out there. So having that website BOOKMARK will get you the website that you want. Or instead of a consultant, you can be a coach. A coach is basically helping one-on-one to do whatever that is necessary. So you can be a coach as a career in a law industry, or a leader, or a business coach, or an executive coach, or even an attorney coach. So even as being a coach, you will need the website. I recommend you to use BOOKMARK. If you feel that doing something that you're not happy in law industry overall, so I would suggest to go and be a financial analyst. Financial analyst requires a lot of thinking and a lot of analytical things. So I would recommend a website that is called Footly. So Footly is basically a website that can predict the future, your finances, your in whatever situation you are in the business. This website really helps you to predict. You can be also a content writer for the law industry. So if you feel you are not kind of like a good writer, but you want to get your feet in the door and see for yourself if this is for you, I have good news for you. There is a website called Article Writing Company, and they write articles for you, and all you have to do is just put your name on it. Or you can teach about law, or you can tutor law. You can be a legal writing instructor, and you don't have to go back to school and actually earn a degree in teaching if you don't want to. It would be ideal, but you don't have to. Why I say that? Because there is a platform that is called Thinkific, and that platform helps you to create courses for your students. But all you have to do is just, record a course, do the course, and then find students who might be interested to actually learn from you. So this is part of, something that you can do as a lawyer. You can become also a labor relations specialist. You have this labor law. You kind of like know whatever your state is, in any state that you live, particular law because you learn that. So there is also a website called LEGALVISION. LEGALVISION has all kinds of documents for you to actually download and use them for whatever reason. You can become also a speaker. So being a speaker is a no-brainer. You can actually go and speak about politics. You can speak about history. You can speak about law industry in general. Maybe labor law, maybe real estate law, maybe criminal law, whatever law that is. You can speak and get the audience that actually wants to listen. Being a speaker requires a lot of slides because you want to attract those listeners to make it more interesting for them to hear you, to listen to you, and actually also look at the slides at the same time. So if you don't want to hire a graphic designer such as UDNS Marketing Solutions, then you can actually use a platform that is called SlideBean. Okay, the SlideBean is basically has templates. All you have to do is just put the information, change the pictures, change the layout, and you're good to go. Everything can be done in a few hours. You can also be HR specialist or HR generalist. This really not hard because you already know the laws in HR, in labor, like OSHA, for example, right? And HIPAA. All of this is based on all industries that have same similar law that we all have to follow. So there is a platform called Soon. Soon is basically a platform for hiring and recruiting and actually scheduling employees. And this is a platform that is very fantastic. And another platform that I know of is called Recruitee. So it's easier to recruit through the application, through the website, to actually make your life much easier. When you post a job, people click on it, candidates click on it, and then they upload a resume and through that website. And then Recruitee sends you an email that you have gotten a candidate. And all you have to do is just check their resume, read their cover letters, and then you're good to go to schedule an interview. You can become also CFO, Chief Financial Officer. There is a website that is called botkeeper. So botkeeper is kind of like a bookkeeper, but it does automatically. You just enter the numbers and the botkeeper takes care of it, where to put expenses, credits, debits, and everything else that needed. The botkeeper does the job. So it's much easier out there. So nowadays nothing is really hard. Everything is available. All you have to do is just use the platform. Now I'm mentioning a lot of HR field because in HR there are so many jobs, opportunities, job titles that you can do. Like I mentioned, HR specialist and recruiter and HR and labor relations specialist. So now you can be a corporate recruiter. There is a website that is called BREEZY HR. BREEZY HR does anything that HR needs. Documents, interviews, scheduling, time clocking, everything is there. So for you to be a corporate recruiter, it's possible. Now, knowing the laws doesn't stop you there. You can also become a union organizer. You can use the PandaDoc. PandaDoc is it's a website where you actually print documents, legal documents that you basically need. So for whatever that union that you are representing, you have it. And also you can use LegalVision. LegalVision has also a platform where all your documents that you need for legal stuff. So that's it. Now you have it. You'll understand. There are several things that you can do with the law degree that you have, but you don't have to be a lawyer if you are not happy. There are other things you can do. And I hope that you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the description below what exactly you like the most and what exactly you like the least. And let me know also what kind of future videos you would like to see. I'll see you next time.